All right, you're welcome again. This is one of the final videos we're going to have for this sale onboarding, and I'm going to be very fast so that I'll cover the rest things I should cover. All right, so when you click this menu, create a profile. You can check your profile. And just check your profile. You can actually switch to different profiles. You want to affiliate, you want to buy, you want to be a customer to explore products. You can use that to switch to any of them. And then if you want to share your store link, all right, I just clicked it. If you want to share your store link, it's actually taking some kind of little time like that to load. Okay. Okay, it's coming up. It's coming up. All right, so this is your store. All right, so where I actually clicked. You can see this is the only product I have currently. So I didn't put any image. I'm gonna put my images and all of that. When I think, yeah, can just create a profile. You can click it and change the image. You can see seller store link. That store link will link people to all your product at once. All right, so it's different from that other link we were clicking for a particular product. You can copy that link there and use externally. Somebody can click it elsewhere and get to go to that particular product. All right, so home, it take you to home. Sales will teach you like show you the number of sales, who has bought, abandoned transactions. Some persons will come try to buy, and along the line they'll just zoom off. All right, so to show you abandoned transactions, that's that. Then for products, all products, to show you all the products. If you want to put another product to this particular product, you just click add products. All right, so it's going to add the products for you. Featured products, just like you are creating kind of, I don't want to call it a bias, but it's just for you to show that these products kind of, maybe they are new products, just feature them. All right, that's that kind of stuff like that. Subscribers, or maybe if there are plans for subscriptions. You have digital products, you have subscriptions, you have tickets. I think we saw that in the other class. That's the other video. So product categories, you know what that is. Valuation assets, can't really talk much about that for now because I haven't really used it. Maybe you can try that out. Customers, you can check your customers. Affiliates, people affiliating for your course. All right, so let's click affiliates. There's no affiliate, actually no affiliate, and you want to add an affiliate or you want to upload bulk affiliates. So I have affiliates on my own product, so you can add an affiliate by the use of their email address. So click add affiliates, and then okay, let it load. It's loading. After it loads, you can just add the affiliates by just their email addresses. So you just add their email addresses, and please note, those affiliates must have seller accounts. All right, they should necessarily have seller accounts, and those seller accounts must be opened with that particular email. All right, so you can just add, for example, I have Chris Chris Graphics, so on. So this is one account. I want to give Chris Graphics 50% commission of the sale. So all right, so yes, all right, so I'm going to add affiliates. So the affiliates is going to be added, and then the affiliate link will be provided. All right, this is the affiliates, Chris Graphics. Okay, you can see the name of my store is up already. I'm giving him 50%. This is the affiliate link. So if somebody buys from this link, so I'm going to copy this affiliate link, copy link address, copy, and then send to Chris Graphics and tell Chris Graphics, yes, you are going to earn 50% when somebody buys this product. All right, and Chris Graphics will now use the link and send to his customers, and the customers will use that link and buy the product. When they use that link, it's going to go to your products, that product you created. Everything is going to be your own. But because it is through that link, when the person pays, they are going to divide. Seller will divide the payment into two, send 50% to, or the number of percentage you set here, send that percentage to Chris Graphics and keep 50% of it to you, or your percent. You can send 30, 70, 40, 60, or out of 100. Anyhow you want to partition it. All right, so I think the list is 30% or so. So you can do that, and then that's how affiliate works. All right, this is what many people don't know, and this is how you can actually boost your business too. And then when the affiliate makes sales, you can monitor the affiliates. Is this person active? Is the account active? Is active? How many people have viewed your product through this affiliate link? You are going to see sales, you are going to see support with your current payments and all of that. So you can add in bulk, you can add individually. I think that's explanatory enough. So sales page, coupons and discounts. You want to add discounts to your products, you can use that. If you want to add, oh my god, you can create coupons like discounts codes to, maybe for your birthday. If you want to buy this product, make sure you use this code. All right, use this code to have a discount for my birthday. Those people that have that code, they're going to get a discount for that particular product. All right, let it load. Let's see how this works. All right, it's loading, it's loading. Okay, it's quite taking a lot of time. All right, it has loaded. So you can create the coupon for a single product. All right, so what percentage discount are you giving? You can give 50% discount. Wow. Coupon code, you can just write anything. 550k. All right, whenever somebody uses that coupon for a single product, all right, a single product, you're going to choose a product actually before here. Once the person uses this coupon, when you create a coupon, the person uses coupon it will reduce the price by 50% for the person. All right, this is the magic behind this. I think that is that. Custom email integration. Let's okay, payouts, wallet and payouts. All right, you can check your wallet. Your wallet is like where your money is. Payouts is the payments that people have made, and then they are going to be paid into your wallet. You can withdraw from your wallet if there's money. Once somebody pays you and you want to withdraw, you can just go to your wallet and withdraw, or you go to upcoming payouts. All right, go to upcoming payouts, and then you will see that okay, this money is going to be paid to your wallet. This is the day. It's going to take 5 days. It's going to take this day, but ultimately, any money paid to your seller account is going to be paid to your wallet, and it's going to get to you. I think highest it will take up to like 5 days. If manually you can even pay, and then you can withdraw it as quickly as possible. So, but it's a very it's a good platform, and you don't need to worry about it. So, payment settings, you can set your payment preference. You can choose to use automatic. I think we have checked this before. So, that is that for payment integration. Well, for those running adverts, you can integrate your seller pixels, your seller to your Facebook or Meta accounts. All right, so that's important for those. It's a different course on its own that teach you how to run Facebook ad. I do Facebook advertisement too, on Instagram ads, this kind of ads. I do all of most of them, particularly these two I've mentioned. So that's that. So you can actually do that integration when you're running those ads. So this is actually very kind of technical aspects of what I'm talking about now. So basically, what this course is supposed to have achieved is for you to know how to onboard, like list your product online for people to buy, and that is what we have done, and you have seen how it worked out. I just wanted to put you through some of the things that are here. So custom email, I haven't really checked the option before, so I'm not sure it's something very important. So you can try to check that out yourself. Billings, so these other ones you can just check them out for yourself. All right, there are some settings that you can set such a way that your customers will be billed for extra charges, maybe like online payment. This transaction charges of 15 naira will be added to your clients, like your customers, instead. So if you're instead of buying that for 1,000 naira, or even your seller charges, because the charge, I think withdrawal charges from seller is 15 naira or so. Yeah, 15 naira. So that's that. So some of those charges you can bend them to your customers. So I don't think that's a good example of a good. Well, it's fine. However you want to do it. All right. So okay, let's check billings. Still the same. Okay, those subscription. Okay, this billings is actually for subscription, this plan subscription. But this is this Asia product and all of that. So get Seller Pro plans. So you can, when you have good understanding now, you can now go to Pro accounts, try to check. When you click it, you can try to check. I personally use free accounts. So if you want to go for Pro, it's still fine. It's good. But make sure you have, because you're going to pay not really much like that, just 8k, 8,000 naira. That's about $8. So that's not much for this kind of platform. But free account is okay for you. That's what I advise. All right. So I think that's that. Settings. You can choose. You can see currency. They actually store design. Well, this may just apply to people in Pro. Some of them apply to people in Pro. Let's try out some of them. Store setting. Now I'll now upload my image. Okay, that's for store setting. Store username. You can change the username. All right, because that name is long. You can update the email. Instagram. You can put your social media handle. Update the store settings. All right, this is miscellaneous. Collect the customer's phone number, whatever address, this before checkouts, call to action, change the general call to action, stuff like that. You can just do the customizations for your general store settings. Enable product cross sell, yes. Add tax, No, you can see some of them. You can just check the settings according to give every affiliate access to all your products with one click. You can just click it and say yes. You can just check them. They are not very difficult. Email preference, store currencies. You can deactivate some currencies. Let's check it out too. All right, this is actually Naira. So um, just leave it like this. Just leave it like this. Enable yes. Just leave it like this. Don't change anything here. Just leave that one like that. Store delivery settings. So it's just to show you some other features. All right, so um these are physical products, and that can actually this you are setting your location so that once the person wants to buy, they'll know that okay, this is where your locations are. You can add new locations. The person will now know this. You have location, you have location here. You are not very close to me. Okay, you're close to me. The transport fee of the delivery fee will not be much, to be much, stuff like that. I don't know, it's quite somehow important a little bit. So store design. Well, store design, um this has to be for pro. I think I've tried it before. It's for pro users, but let's see. All right, it's not even, yeah, it's for pro or turbo plan. That's, I think turbo is even bigger than pro. So legal pages, payout settings, custom domain settings. Most of these ones they are for pro. I think that's that. All right, so we are done with our course creation for Seller, and here we go. If you have any question, reach out to me. I'm going to discuss further and make some more um you know explanations to make it more simple for you. But make sure you listen to everything, and I think you're good to go. You can onboard and people can buy and sell here on Seller. Then get to withdraw to your bank accounts. Oh my god. All right, so see you in the next see you on the other side. All right, thanks for purchasing the course. I look forward to getting the feedback from you. Thank you so much. God bless you.